Marlina Balint, and I'm delighted to talk to you today about the experience of having attended the Joe Davis workshop on startup recruitment agency. I have to say it has been a great experience. Joe has provided us a lot of information. He was very proactive, which is always helpful. All my colleagues who have attended the workshop today were very enthusiastic. There have been a lot of questions asked, and I have to say Joe had the best answers to all these questions. Therefore, I would like to encourage everyone who is having the idea of starting their own recruitment agency to come over, attend the startup workshop, as they provide you with a lot of useful information which you cannot access from anywhere else. Bearing in mind, this is the only agency providing you this type of information. They are equipping us with all the tools required to have the full knowledge in the field, and also they gonna assist each and every one of us along the way, and having the opportunity of getting the expertise of someone with almost 40 years of experience in the field. I would consider it a great asset and a great motivation to take the first step into starting your own business in the field. And my personal understanding is this is a guaranteed success. I wish good luck to everyone and keep it up. Thank you.